Creekview High School this morning just to test my endurance. I've got this idea from my buddy Oliver. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out here, do my daily grizzle, and then after that just do a 1.5 mile run just to see the time that I can make. Head to the house because this is officially a rest day. I stayed in the bed much later this morning, being lazy, so the sun comes over the top of those clouds in that school, it's gonna get ridiculously hot. Our mission is to move fast and to run with some pace in order to not get beat by the heat. So wish me luck. Today's daily grizzles are bear crawls followed by bicycle crunches, 25 reps each, and we'll do 3 sets, and then like we said before, a 1.5 mile run. Haters feel play, trying to get me with the club, but I cut them with the spade. When I come through in the whip, cut them with the blade. Make the block bleed, now they run for band-aids. I'm trying to patch it up, get your paper, stack it up. Those the neighbors call the law, they say them boys acting up. And I can show you how to keep popping. Nice rubber band, drop it in the shoebox. Yeah, and keep it moving like a work clock. All of what I'm dropping in my ziplock. Yeah, and I can show you how to get guap. Big nice rubber band, drop it in the shoebox. Yeah, and keep it moving like a work clock. All of what I'm dropping in my ziplock. All right, 1.5 mile run done, and we finish in a little bit over 12 minutes, which is a big improvement from last week's time. I'm pretty surprised that I saw myself do that well in this short period of time. I only ran it twice. So how much it improves your endurance. I didn't breathe heavy at all whatsoever, especially in the first 5 laps. Also did it with a major sun behind. You see the sun coming up. Not too hot just yet, but I had the luxury of dawn last time to keep me cool. This time we brought out a pretty good sweat, as you can see. Anyways, I'm about to stretch, go home, and continue the end of my rest day. Make a little food, family and friends coming over today. So I gotta make myself available, keep my energy up so I can make sure I fuel my body, especially since it's a rest day, not to go outside the bounds of everything that I need to do to keep my fitness goals in check. Back home, back in the kitchen, and I wanna make me a little grill. So I'm about to scramble me some eggs and mash up an avocado, have that. My wife has left me another project. She wants to get new blinds because we have guests coming over today, and the kids have totally wrecked our blinds. So on a mission, food and then handiwork. Let's get it. We have it. We got us a scrambled egg filled with avocado toast with a little strawberry fix. I wonder who was the first dude that actually tried an avocado. They don't really look that good. They don't look appealing at all. And what made him think that he could do that? What was he thinking? All right, today's mission is to get rid of these blinds and put up these brand spanking new ones that my wife got. Get this done within the next hour or so. She must think I'm MacGyver or something, but I'll do what I can to get it done. See, she's in the back over there snooping. Unfortunately, she don't know that I have not read the instructions yet, so what she don't know won't hurt her. Sure. All right, so we got one install done. Now we just got to repeat exactly what we did. The trial and error piece was the hardest part. The video game action is going to be totally dope when we get it done here. So now that I got the hard part worked out, I got an accomplice right here. I got an assistant. You ready to get started? You gonna help Daddy?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it started. So party on, we're about to finish this, knock out the rest of this project. finally done with that. Took a little bit longer than expected. I ended up losing a dang piece to the blinds, so I just said forget it and made it work anyway. I'm glad with the addition we got. You can see how dark it is in here now. It's probably gonna save us a ton on our electricity. I don't know why I didn't do it in the first place, but just glad we're finished.